In the heart of the Western Hemisphere lies a continent pulsating with life, a land where ancient mysteries whisper on the wind and vibrant cultures paint the landscape with color and sound. This is South America, a realm of dramatic contrasts, from snow-capped Andean peaks to sun-drenched Caribbean shores. It's a place of forgotten empires, revolutionary passions, and a rhythm that beats in the soul of its people. Today, we journey beyond the well-trodden path to uncover the epic treasures of this magnificent land. We'll dance to the samba in Rio de Janeiro, feel the fiery spirit of tango in Buenos Aires, ascend to a lost city in the clouds of Peru, and lose ourselves in the golden, walled streets of Cartagena. This is not just a journey across a map, it is an immersion into the very heartbeat of a continent. Prepare to be captivated, for South America is not just a place you visit, it's a feeling you carry with you forever. Our journey begins where the mountains meet the sea, in a city that moves to a rhythm all its own, Rio de Janeiro. This isn't just a place, it's a living, breathing spectacle. From the moment the sun rises, painting the sky in shades of orange and gold, Rio awakens with an energy that is simply infectious. High above the city, with arms outstretched in an eternal embrace, stands Christ the Redeemer. Emerging from the morning mist, this iconic statue isn't just a landmark, it's a silent guardian, watching over a city of 6 million stories. To be here, looking down at the sprawling metropolis nestled between granite peaks and the shimmering Atlantic, is to feel a sense of awe that words can barely capture. It's a testament to faith, artistry, and the sheer audacity of human ambition. Down below, the city unfolds in a tapestry of life. Take a cable car to the summit of Sugarloaf Mountain, and the world opens up beneath you. The view is a masterpiece. The serpentine coastline, the lush Tijuca forest, the world's largest urban rainforest, and the endless blue of the ocean stretching to the horizon. As dusk descends, Sugarloaf becomes the best seat in the house for one of nature's greatest shows, a Rio sunset. The sky transforms into a canvas of fiery reds, deep purples, and neon pinks, reflecting off the water and bathing the city in a magical glow. It's a moment of pure, unadulterated beauty, a reminder of the simple, profound wonders of our world. Then there is the legendary Copacabana Beach, a crescent of golden sand that is the city's playground, stage, and living room. Here the cariocas, the people of Rio, come to live life to the fullest. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter, the thud of a soccer ball, and the gentle rhythm of waves kissing the shore. This is where the soul of Rio truly comes alive. But to understand Rio, you must feel its beat. Samba is not just music here, it's the city's pulse. In the vibrant neighborhood of Lapa, under the iconic white arches, the streets come alive at night. The sound of drums echoes through the air, and bodies move with a joy and freedom that is mesmerizing. Here, in the blur of colorful costumes and infectious smiles, you discover that Rio is more than a destination. It's a celebration of life itself. From the vibrant shores of Brazil, we fly south to a city that whispers tales of passion and poetry, a place with the soul of Europe and the heart of Latin America. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Known as the Paris of South America, this city is an elegant dance of old-world charm and rebellious spirit. Walking through neighborhoods like Recoleta and Palermo, you're surrounded by magnificent French and Italianate architecture, grand boulevards and manicured parks. It feels as if you've stepped into another era, a time of opulence and romance. The city's history is etched into the ornate facades of its buildings, each one telling a story of ambition, immigration, and reinvention. The iconic Casa Rosada, the presidential palace, glows with a soft pink hue at twilight, a symbol of the nation's turbulent and fascinating past. But the true language of Buenos Aires is not spoken in words, it's expressed in a dance. This is the birthplace of the tango. In the cobbled streets of San Telmo or the colorful alleyways of La Boca, tango is everywhere. It's in the haunting melodies of the bandoneon drifting from an open window, in the impromptu performances on a street corner, and in the intense, smoldering gaze shared between two dancers. Tango is the story of the city, a dance born from the longing of immigrants, infused with passion, drama, and a touch of melancholy. To watch it is to witness a conversation without words, a story of love, loss, and desire unfolding in 3 minutes. It is the raw, unfiltered emotion of Buenos Aires made visible. The city's soul can also be found in its countless cafes. These are not just places to grab a coffee. They are cultural institutions, sanctuaries for writers, artists, and dreamers. Sitting in a historic cafe, like Café Tortoni, you can almost feel the ghosts of literary giants like Jorge Luis Borges. Here, time seems to slow down. People gather to talk, to read, to debate, and simply to be. It's in these moments, over a cup of strong Argentine coffee and a plate of media lunas, that you connect with the city's intellectual and creative pulse. Buenos Aires is a city of layers. It is grand and gritty, sophisticated and raw. It's a city that invites you to get lost in its streets, to listen to its stories, and to feel its passionate, unforgettable heartbeat. Now, we leave the bustling cities behind and ascend into the sky, journeying to a place shrouded in mist and mystery, Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. Perched high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, this ancient citadel is one of humanity's most breathtaking achievements. The journey itself is part of the magic. Whether you arrive by train, winding through the sacred Urubamba Valley, or by trekking the historic Inca Trail, the anticipation builds with every step, and then you see it. As the morning fog lifts, the magnificent stone ruins are revealed, clinging to a mountain saddle, surrounded by towering, emerald green peaks. The sight is so surreal, so otherworldly, that it feels like you've stumbled into a dream. Built in the 15th century and abandoned just a century later, Machu Picchu remains a marvel of engineering and astronomy. How did the Incas, without modern tools or the wheel, carve and transport these massive stones, fitting them together with such precision that not even a blade of grass can fit between them? Walking through the ancient city, you can explore the Temple of the Sun, the Intihuatana stone, and the intricate agricultural terraces that cascade down the mountainside. Each structure is perfectly aligned with the solstices and constellations, a testament to the Incas' profound connection to the cosmos. You can feel the spiritual energy in the air, a quiet reverence that seems to emanate from the very stones themselves. Here, in this city in the clouds, you are surrounded by profound silence, broken only by the wind, and the gentle calls of the alpacas and llamas that graze peacefully on the terraces. Looking out at the vast, dramatic landscape of the Andes, you feel a sense of humility and wonder. Machu Picchu is more than just an archaeological site. It is a powerful reminder of the ingenuity of the human spirit and our connection to the natural world. It speaks of a civilization that lived in harmony with the mountains, the sun, and the stars. To stand here is to touch history, to feel the echoes of a lost world, and to understand that some mysteries are meant to be felt rather than solved. It is a sacred place that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. Our final destination takes us to the sun-kissed shores of the Caribbean, to a city that glitters like a jewel, Cartagena, Colombia. Encased within centuries-old stone walls, this is a city where history and tropical vibrancy collide in a spectacular explosion of color and music. From the moment you step into the walled city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you are transported to another time. The narrow, cobbled streets are a kaleidoscope of color, with colonial-era houses painted in brilliant shades of bougainvillea pink, canary yellow, and turquoise blue. Wooden balconies overflow with vibrant flowers, creating a canopy of blossoms above your head. Every corner you turn reveals a picturesque plaza, a hidden courtyard, or a magnificent church, each telling a story of pirates, conquest, and romance. Cartagena's spirit is as warm and inviting as the Caribbean sun. The air is thick with the scent of tropical fruit and fresh brewed coffee, and the sound of music is ever present. Street musicians fill the air with the infectious rhythms of cumbia and vallenato, their joyful tunes inviting you to dance right there in the street. The people of Cartagena, the Cartageneros, embody this warmth. Their smiles are genuine, their laughter is contagious, and their hospitality makes you feel instantly at home. This is a city that is alive, a place where joy is a way of life. As you wander, you'll discover charming boutiques, art galleries showcasing local talent, and street vendors selling delicious arepas and fresh squeezed juices. As day turns to night, Cartagena transforms. The city walls, which once protected it from pirate attacks, now offer the perfect vantage point for watching the sunset over the Caribbean Sea. The sky ignites in a blaze of orange and purple, casting a golden glow over the entire city. After dark, the plazas come alive with glowing lanterns, bustling night markets, and outdoor restaurants where you can dine under the stars. The romantic clatter of horse-drawn carriages echoes through the streets, adding to the city's enchanting atmosphere. Cartagena is sunlight in human form, a city that wraps you in its warmth, dazzles you with its beauty, and fills your heart with its infectious, joyful rhythm. It's a treasure of the Caribbean, a golden city that will capture your imagination. From the samba-fueled energy of Rio de Janeiro to the passionate embrace of Buenos Aires, from the mystical heights of Machu Picchu to the golden warmth of Cartagena, our journey through South America has been a symphony of experiences. This continent is far more than just a collection of places on a map. It is a living, breathing entity, a mosaic of ancient traditions and modern vitality. It's a feeling that settles deep within you. The rhythm of a drum, the fire of a dance, the awe of a mountain peak touching the sky. South America is a land of epic stories, written in stone, whispered on the wind, and lived out every day by its people. It reminds us that our world is still brimming with magic, with mysteries to uncover, and with beauty that can take your breath away. This is a continent that doesn't just welcome you, it changes you. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. If you were inspired by this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we continue to explore the wonders of our planet.